and the power comes on, like the wheel comes off so fast. So alright guys, welcome back. Today I'll be making a video for you guys, just to do a quick flyby a couple times, just to get an idea how the bike sounds from far. So I actually brought my wife with me to do hold the camera for me while I do a couple flyby. She is not a professional camera woman, so she will do her best, but just doing it for you guys. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. I would like you guys to leave a comments below any questions or concerns that you guys have. I know I have noticed on our Z900 community on Facebook page, a lot of new Z900 owners are joining. Looks like this bike is selling like a hot cake this year. So it's a great bike for the price. So there is a lot of new people out there in looking for modification or need some mods for your bike. Feel free to reach out. I know every bike owners, they have their own personal touch on their bike, so you want to make your bike your own. So so if you guys have any question about doing any modification or need any assistance with anything, feel free to leave a comment below, and I read all the comments that I get, and I try to respond back to all of the comments. So thank you guys so much for your support. Stay safe, ride safe, enjoy your bike, have fun, and I will check out from here guys, and you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright guys, take care.